Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make sweet tangy tamarind chutney, best condiment for any kind of a chaat or samosa recipe. Let's begin. For this sweet tangy imli chutney we will take 1 cup of tamarind imli and soak it in hot boiling water. We have taken about 2 cups of boiling water, or take as much water that the tamarind is completely immersed in water. We will keep this tamarind soaked in this hot boiling water for about an hour or till the water gets a bit lukewarm so you can easily touch it. Now it has been about 45 minutes since we had soaked the tamarind. The water has turned lukewarm. We are able to touch the imli tamarind and it has become a little bit soft. Let's now squeeze out the tamarind juice and separate out the pulp and any other impurities in it by straining out the juice. Here we have squeezed out whole of the tamarind pulp, and the juice that we have got here is, as you can see, is very thick. As you can see, it's quite thick to strain out, so let's add little more water to it. These are all the impurities and the seeds. We are going to discard this, and finally we are going to get 3 cups of pure tamarind juice. Next, moving on, we will take here 3/4 cup of jaggery. This is dates jaggery. You can use instead of this sugarcane jaggery. As you can see, this is in powdered form. Keeping heat over a medium, we will keep on stirring this until the jaggery starts melting. Here now, as the jaggery has started melting, to this we will add half a cup of wet dates. We have removed the seeds from these fresh dates and cut them into big chunks. If you count these dates in number, they are about 15 to 16 dates. Continuously stirring, we will keep on cooking this over a low to medium heat till the jaggery now completely melts. And then add the made tamarind juice. Still keeping the heat over low to medium, we will keep on cooking and stirring this occasionally till the dates pieces get tender and the tamarind water starts getting a bit thicker. Here now you can see the tamarind water has come to a boil. At this point we will put the heat to a low, adding a tablespoon of raisins kishmish, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder zira powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder saunt, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, that is saunf powder, and finally a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Let's now give this a stir, mixing all the ingredients that we have added. We have been cooking this tamarind chutney over a low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see now, it has become quite thick. You can even see a layer of it over the spatula. At this point, this is perfectly okay, ready. Let's put off our gas stove. When this chutney will cool down, come down to room temperature, it will get even more thicker. You can keep this delicious khatti methi imli chutney stored in an airtight glass bottle in the fridge for quite some time, for about 6 months, and this is even without preservative. Do try it out. Hope you like the recipe. Till we meet again, bye bye.